Go ahead, touch him, Tay Tay.
Here goes my jacket. Put this jacket on. And this is my hood. I have it on too.
Don't mess your hair up.
See, we have to put all this stuff on.
Right, it protects us.
See?
All that protects us from everything.
Tay Tay.
See here, Tay? See, look.
Go to him.
Yeah.
Go to him. He ain't gonna hurt you, baby.
Come on.
Say hi, Grandma Lisa.
I don't want to scare.
He's cautious.
That's the stuff we have to see. I'm the same guy.
Tay Tay.
Okay. I'll take it back off then. Look, come out of it like that. See? Huh? That's a tray. That tray lets out.
You want to wear a coat? You want to put this on? You don't?
Come on.
Okay, you don't have to. He's right at the age where he's almost scared of us.
Yeah.
Sometimes if you do too much, they get scared.
Right.
If you do too little, they're like bored.